Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Agnicart. Today's video tutorial is going to be all about SEO, which is search engine optimization, and how you can configure it. So what is search engine optimization? Search engine optimization is when you put in a keyword or a title in Google, for example, and this search engine optimizes the results that come up on your search. So here agnicart.com is what shows up. This is your title and this is your description. To create this for your own web page, you can go to your dashboard, you can go all the way to settings, and you can see there's an option called SEO. You can click on that and these are your home web page SEO settings. So here you can give your SEO title whatever you want and a description, for example hair care, skincare. And then you can save it. If you want, you can add some keywords that if searched will show your website, or any title prefix or suffix. So after saving this, your SEO settings will come up when you search for your particular uh, keyword on Google. This is how you update your settings for your home store page. Now, for example, if you go to your store page, there might be a lot of categories, might be a lot of products, and might be a lot of different collections that you would want to have an SEO for. So that if you search for any of those products on Google, this web page will appear. You can go to catalog and you can go to sections. You can see these sections that are there. In bronx.agnicart.com, there are basically three sections: accessories, bestsellers, and clothing. So here, if you go to a particular, if you go to hair care, you can see here. So basically how these URLs work is you will have, so basically how these URLs work is you will have your web page name slash sections slash category. So this category is skincare products that come under accessories. So for example, the sections that are present in bronx.agnicart.com. So now in this particular section, we can change the URL, we can change the name, and we can add an SEO title. So here I would want it to be Bronx accessories, and description could be uh, earrings, skincare, masks, etc. So now when you search and save it, so now when you search for a particular accessory, or when you search for anything related to accessories, this title will appear, link to the website, link to that particular section, and this would be the description that is shown. Again, for example, if I go to Agnicart, similarly here the title will show accessories and the particular description will be shown over here. So that is how it works for section. Similarly for categories, you can say there are various categories, and similarly you can change the SEO title and description for each category, so that when you search for that particular category on your search engine, so and so title and description will appear. Similarly for products, you can even go to each product and you can edit your SEO accordingly. Can go, there's an SEO field here for almost every product, for every section, and for every category. There are multiple levels of SEOs that you can put in. So you can put in any title that you want. You can put Bronx skincare, or for example here glowing skin day cream. You can put it as day cream and put your particular description and keywords. So if you type in a particular keyword, so your website will appear. So this is how you optimize your search engine. This is how you configure your search engine settings for your store. Thank you for watching.